Hey, welcome to the channel. My name is Eric, and today we're going to be working on a John Shared 2065 Turbo. And he said that he can't get it to start, and he's had issues where if he can get it to start, he can't get it to stay running. He thinks possible water in the gas, but you and I are going to figure it out today, so stay tuned. So the first thing we're going to want to do with this is see if it does run. So it's on. Decompression. No, not getting nothing. All right. So what are we going to do first? We'll take that cover off and we're going to do a compression check so that we're not having to deal with anything other than that. Again, with these gauges, hand tight, that's all you need. And when we're working on these two-stroke stuff, even the other four-stroke, you want to find at least 90. 90 and above, you at least can get a little more time out of. Much less than 90, and she's just old and tired out. We're at 125. It's pretty good. Don't look too bad. A lot of times we can blow these filters out, so make sure that you get your glasses and safety gear on. Alright, so I got a brand new plug. We're going to go with that first. And the thing I preach the most is keep it simple, stupid, which means start with the least expensive fix and work your way out. You don't need to tear the carburetor off, everything else off, and start adding billable hours if it doesn't need it, right? Sometimes just simply a plug. Had a bad spot and it wasn't firing. But if you bypass just adding a plug to see if that will take care of your problem, then you're kind of doing a disservice to your customer too, right? So what we try to do is we try to have a happy medium, right? We're still going to get an hour's labor off this, plus parts. That. Well, let's try her to see if she. Sounds pretty good. And that sometimes is all it takes. Make sure the compressions are good on it, put a new plug in it, blow out the air filter, replace it if need be. But the way I try to have it here is I try to be fair to the shop and fair to our customers. And that's why our customers keep coming back, because they know we're going to treat this saw just like if it's my own. You know, if all it needed was a spark plug and I billed the customer for 4.5 hours labor tearing their saw all apart, it's not really fair, right? You wouldn't want that to happen to you. So that's just something that we do here at our shop. However you do it at your shop is however you do it. But we try to keep it as simple as possible. You know, you kind of wish all of them were like this in a way, because you can get your money back quick. He just dropped this off yesterday. And so far today, we picked up 2 snow blowers by 9 o'clock and had them both delivered back by noon today. And those were quick fixes. But we made trucking plus an hour labor on each one. That's it, folks. On that note, you guys have a great day until we see you in the next video.